Perfecto, you can easily execute cross-browser test automation using Cypress, one of the leading JavaScript test automation frameworks. Combined, you get all the speed that Cypress offers, and you get the scalability, flexibility, and security of Perfecto's unified platform for web and mobile testing. You're able to boost coverage across browser permutations, execute tests in parallel in the cloud, and also get Perfecto's day-of support for new browser releases. Perfecto Cypress support runs right out of the box, and it's fully integrated into the CI/CD pipeline. Teams can execute their tests how they want, either from the command line interface or at the end of each execution through Jenkins and other CI servers. After executing your Cypress tests, the team can quickly make sense of the results through Perfecto's machine learning enhanced reporting, which includes logs, screenshots, and videos. Getting started with Perfecto and Cypress is easy. First, download the SDK from the NPM store. Second, configure the SDK in your Cypress local environment against the different browsers you want to test on. Third, execute the test from either the command line or any CI/CD tool. You get console output and debugging information that tells you if the execution is progressing as expected or if you are having any issues. Last, monitor the live stream through the Perfecto reporting environment to see each execution. At the end, you get a full report with all the artifacts. You can monitor and report defects if you found them, or if not, release your web application with confidence. Cypress is just one of many integrations in our open and integrated platform, offering a single place for everything that modern testing teams need to deliver exceptional digital experiences. Visit perfecto.io/integrations to learn more.